What are the chances of making it after a lightning strike? For one baby from Colorado, lightning really did strike twice. In 2007, 13-month-old Kimberly Weimer was in her mother's arms when they were struck by lightning during a thunderstorm. They miraculously survived with minor injuries. Years later, it was to be the second near run-in with nature's wrath for Kimberly. Another lightning strike this time, and again while playing in her backyard. Her strength has earned her a living test victory over unconquerable odds.